Van Ladder's Chariot Bucket has a rotating fork system with 140 degrees of travel. This smooth and easy rotation allows you to position a channel letter against a wall with hands-free access to your work. For large channel letters, the Chariot Bucket utilizes a coated platform that mounts on the forks. Extend the lower forks to the third hole and secure the platform with 2 pins. The coated platform also mounts on the mid-forks and upper forks for channel letters that aren't as tall. Once the channel letter rests on the platform, install the securement braces to help hold it in place. Now you have a hand free to run the controls. Before moving the bucket, depress the foot brake to keep the forks from rotating. When the letter is nearing its intended location, release the foot brake and use the rotation handles to square up the channel letter with the wall. Remember, the Van Ladder 3931 HDX is equipped with a slow rotation mode, allowing you to move into position without jerky starts and stops. Once the letter is nearly touching the wall, remove the securement clamps. Now, both hands are free to finish the installation. For smaller channel letters, Van Ladder offers a sturdy bag for secure handling. This accessory attaches to the rotation system, allowing you to slide it out of the way in either direction. With Van Ladder's generous side reach, an entire set of channel letters can often be installed from a single parking position. Remember to cone off the zone directly below the bucket, especially near store entrances, where even a small tool could cause an injury when dropped from the elevated platform. Van Ladder, the bucket truck designed to make sign work simpler.